Hi po, I'm Ayan of the CPAX. Welcome back. Ayan, question ko lang first lang. Kamusta po yung assessment nyo kay Kim and Sian's acting while working with him?
I'm quite impressed because both of them are really good actors. Impressed ako kay Kim kung gaano kabilis niyang mag-produce ng luha. And it's not just yung luha na crocodile tears ay talagang dahil sa eye drops or dahil sa menthol. Nakikita mo na organic talaga. Something's happening in her brain, sa puso niya, bago lumalabas yung kung ano man yung tears na napoproduce niya when she's acting. Yun ang isang, siguro, one thing about being in a soap opera, lalo na pag bida, kailangan magaling ka mag-produce ng luha dahil laging merong reason para umiyak. So I'm quite impressed na it's easy for her to get in the zone when she's in front of the camera. I like Sian's passion, pagiging seryoso niya sa kanyang pag-arte. Same thing with Brian.
Ayun. And last na lang po, kasi your name here is Claudette. Parang may konting reminisce pa rin po sa pagiging Celine nyo kasi you were contrabida for Claudine. Parang, oo.
Huwag mo akong tawan-tawa.
Hindi, kasi parang ayun lang. Congrats!